So guys, I tried using this juice machine to make coconut milk and the result was wonderful. It really came out nice. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how I make coconut milk with my juice machine. So I have 4 coconuts here with me. Next, I'm going to place it on the stove. Someone told me if you roast coconut before cracking it, it's going to come out easily. So since I have coconut with me, I decided to give it a go. As you know, your girl now, she like to try things. So I placed it on my stove, and then I roasted it for a while. Then I tried to crack it to see if it's going to work the way they told me. When I tried cracking the coconut, it cracked easily, and when I used my knife to remove it, the thing really came out nice with no stress, unlike the one I used to do. It just came out easily. So this method is really good. I think I will be using this method now when I want to remove coconuts back. From dawn to light to the evening's hush, we gather around the table without a rush. So next, I'm just going to wash the coconut. Once I'm done washing the coconut, I'll just proceed to putting it into the juice machine and then juice the milk out. When I wanted to try this method, I was scared. I thought my juice machine is going to spoil, but nothing like that happened. The result was wonderful. Like, if you want to do coconut oil, if you have juice machine like this at home, I think it reduces the process of you making your coconut oil, make it easy for you. You just juice it out, keep it aside, then the next day you can use it. And this coconut milk is totally different from the ones you buy in the shop. Like, I couldn't believe it. The milk is totally different, and look at the chaff. It really squeezed the milk out. The chaff was really dry on my hands. Like, I couldn't believe it. I thought it's something maybe at the end of it, I'll put it in the blender and still blend it out, but it was nothing like that. It was really nice. Look at the milk. It came out nice. The result was wonderful. Honestly, this coconut milk is better than the ones we buy in the shop. If you want to do coconut oil, I think this process is easy. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you all on my next one. Bye. Step into the kitchen where the magic's made.